Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to denoise in Premiere Pro. First, add your video clip to the timeline. If your video has grainy or noisy areas, especially in low light scenes, this will help smooth it out. Now, go to the Effects panel on the right side of your screen. Type VR Digital Denoise in the search bar. Once you see it in the list, drag and drop the effect onto your video clip on the timeline. After you apply the effect, go to the Effect Controls panel at the top. Scroll down to find the VR Digital Denoise settings. Here, you'll see a noise level slider. Adjust this slider to control the level of denoising applied to your video. A higher noise level will make your video smoother, but be careful. Setting it too high might make the video look overly soft. If you find the video looks too smooth, try lowering the asterisk noise level asterisk slightly. This will bring back some of the original texture without reintroducing too much noise. Once you're happy with the results, play back your video to see the changes. This should give you a cleaner, more professional look for your footage. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.